Hello, Comet Key champions. I hope all of you are doing absolutely great. So, there's an important update. So, until now, we had got an idea about from when to when is the mock round ongoing, right? Now, they have given the exact, timeline for round one, as well as the cancellation period as well, and also when you should be reporting to the college, all of the details. So, make sure you do not miss out on it. I'm going to explain that right now. And first of all, before beginning anything, thank you for trusting us. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button for getting all the updates. So here goes the thing. As of now, if at all you are someone who probably tried doing the choice filling, it might be mentioned as round one choice filling. Now you might be confused, and I have seen that a lot of comments came through that, ma'am, the mock allotment choice filling is ongoing or round one choice filling is ongoing. So I know that's a fact for confusion, but do understand, as of now, the choice filling that is ongoing is for mock round. Even if it is written as round one, do not be worried. It's for mock round only. Okay. So here the timeline that is given is from 11th of July, 4 p.m. But I'm pretty sure a lot of you were able to do choice filling before 4 p.m. as well. So 11th of July, 4 p.m. until 13th of July, 4 p.m. you will be allowed to do the choice filling for the mock round. Okay. And after that, one day after that on 14th of July, you are going to get your allotment results for mock round. Now, mock round, ma'am, I got a college. Should I go and take admission up there? No. This is a mock round. It's just a rehearsal for you. You should not be going and taking admission there. Ma'am, I did not get any college in mock round. Should I be worried about it? First of all, do not panic. Again, as I said, it's just mock round. But it does mean that you need to make some changes in your choice filling list. So, ma'am, will I get an opportunity to do that? Yes. And that too before round one? No. It's basically now the thing that you're going to enter after the mock round is round one choice filling. So this is going to be for round one only, and you can do as many changes as you want. You can add options, you can delete options, you can rearrange options. Okay, so whatever you want, you can do that. And remember, from this point onwards, everything is going to get pretty serious. Okay, on the basis of it, you are going to get allotment in round one. So round one choice filling officially is going to start from 14th of July 4 p.m. and it is there only until 16th of July 11 a.m. The timeline is very, very less. So make sure you make a proper list now only for the mock round. Okay, such that after you get the results, you just have to make some changes in your next list, which is going to be there. Now you have prepared a new list out there. You are going to get results for that. There will be round one allotment result. Okay, that will be given by 17th of July 4 p.m. And after that, depending on whatever you have gotten and whatever decisions you are going to take, whether you want to go with accept and freeze where you want the college and you're going to take the admission, or you're going with accept and upgrade where you're taking the college and looking for an upgrade in the next round, whether you're rejecting the college and going with upgrade, or you want to move out of the counseling, all this decision you have to take within 21st of July, 4 p.m. Now, I've done an entire Comet Key counseling video. If at all you want me to do something like that, again, I can do that. Let me know in the comment section. Okay. Now, so basically, you are getting your results and you are going to take decisions until when? Until 21st of July. Now, those of you who have to report to the college, you also have to make sure that you mandatorily do that between 17th of July to 22nd of July, 11 a.m. Okay. If at all you are not reporting, that means basically you do not want the admission. And you will be automatically out of counseling. So don't do that. If you're taking any decisions which says that you have to report to the college, make sure you report to the college during this particular timeline. Now, there is one more very important thing in Comet Key, that is round one, you are going to get seat cancellation. Round two also, there will be seat cancellation. Further, when you go ahead, you will be seeing certain rounds where you will not be allowed to do seat cancellation. Okay, so before you enter into round 4, there is no seat cancellation period. Do understand that. Once you enter round 4, you have to take whatever comes up. So, take seat cancellation period seriously and cancel your seats if at all you're getting elsewhere. So, 17th of July 4 p.m. until 22nd of July 12 p.m. you have the time to cancel your seats. Do cancel if at all you're getting any seat elsewhere. Okay, I hope that... And basically, once you cancel, it's just 2,000 rupees. That is the fee that is going to go. Rest of it, you will get back. So do not be worried about it. Again, if at all you want a video on it or explain them in detail, do let me know. I'm just here to give this update. That was the first priority, is that you know the importance of it. When you see this timeline, you get to understand the importance of this timeline. You have enough time. Make sure you make the best use of it. Okay. And candidates who are supposed to go and report to the college, please do understand, you need to check the college's timing as well. Saturdays and public holidays have to be seen. If at all you go there and the college is closed, it will be difficult, especially for Comet K, children might be traveling from so far. So please do keep that in notice. And for not missing out on any updates, not forget to hit on the subscribe button right now as well. Put down all your queries that you have around Comet K in the comment section below. Wishing you the best. Take care. Bye-bye.